Hey, welcome back to Crypto Ninjas. Today, we're diving into the top 3 upcoming airdrops you absolutely don't want to miss this August 2025. These are not just any airdrops, we're talking about VC backed, highly anticipated projects with real use cases and potential 4-figure rewards for early users. So make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to use our Binance referral code on the screen for 20% off trading fees and up to a $100 bonus on your next altcoin trade. Let's get into it. All right, number 1 on our list is Monad. This is probably the most hyped layer 1 in development right now, and for good reason. Monad is an EVM-compatible blockchain that uses parallel execution to massively scale Ethereum. Basically, it's aiming to bring Solana-level speed to the Ethereum ecosystem without losing compatibility. And here's the crazy part. They raised $225 million earlier this year from Paradigm, Dragonfly, and Coinbase Ventures. This is one of the biggest fundraising L1s in history. The latest one that raised a similar amount is Berachain, and its airdrop was phenomenal. Now let's talk airdrop. The Monad team has been hinting airdrop for a while now, and most insiders are expecting September. Monad launched their testnet campaign back in March, and since then, they've been expanding the ecosystem fast. They've got DeFi, NFT platforms, staking tools, even meme projects, all launching on testnet. We're entering the final phase now, and snapshot can happen any minute now. So how do you qualify? First, use the chain daily. Faucet, swap, stake, mint NFTs. Anything that shows on-chain activity. Second, mint your Monad soul-bound NFTs. These are identity markers and likely key to tracking participation like the 1 million nads. Third, post on X. Seriously, threads, memes, tutorials, anything you can about Monad. The core team is watching. In this day and age, if you are not actively yapping on X, you're missing out on a huge airdrop pull forth. Be active in their Discord. Try to get at least the full access role and more. You can do this by making friends on Discord, be helpful, and contribute meaningful content. So what's the reward potential? If they follow Berachain's lead, you're easily looking at least $5,000 or more for active users with all soul-bound NFTs and lots of important Discord roles. If you're just an active testnet user with soul-bound NFTs, expect a few $100s or less. Project number 2, Somnia Network. This one's been gaining lots of hype recently. It's huge if you're into gaming and the metaverse. Somnia is building the infrastructure for a fully on-chain metaverse. Think portable avatars, interoperable NFTs, and gameplay enhanced by AI. Their public testnet launched a few months ago, and they've gamified the entire experience. To qualify for the airdrop, first, mint your Somnia identity. This is a soul-bound NFT that tracks your journey. Second, create your avatar. It's actually pretty fun, and it's a key requirement. Then, complete daily quests like exploring maps, testing features, or attending virtual events. And finally, participate in their quest campaign for points. This is likely the key criteria. Pick any quest that's still available and try to complete them. The more you participate, the more you earn. Early estimates say average users might receive between $300 to $500 worth of SOMI tokens when they launch. Top users with lots of points might receive more than $1,000. Third on our list is Meteora. Meteora is a dynamic liquidity management protocol on Solana. What that means in plain English is they help you automate LPs and maximize yield across the Solana DeFi ecosystem. They've gained traction fast, from 1 million TVL to over 50 million in just a few months. Now, their airdrop. Season 1 already happened. They took a snapshot on June 30th, but Season 2 is now live, and the rules are clearer than ever. For Season 1, there are lots of speculation posted on X already. For example, 1 million points in 2024 will get you around $233. 1 million points in 2025 will give you $92. Add them all up, and it's your total allocation. If you have more or less points, calculate yourself. Here's how you can qualify for Season 2. Add liquidity to their supported pools. Look for new, hot token launches and deposit liquidity there. You can print a lot of fees, and the more fees, the more points. Stay consistent. Monitor your positions every day, and if it gets out of range, set it up again. In Season 1, active users could receive $300 to thousands of dollars in potential MET token allocation for just a few weeks of providing liquidity. Season 2 could be even bigger, especially if TVL keeps growing. So if you're already active in Solana DeFi, this one is low effort, high upside. Let's wrap it up. Top 3 airdrops for September 2025. We have Monad, Somnia, and Meteora. Don't wait. Jump in, start engaging, and don't forget to track your wallets and tasks closely. And hey, if this video helped you, then smash that like button. Subscribe for daily crypto alpha. And if you're trading altcoins on Binance, use our referral code for 20% off your trading fees and a $100 bonus. I'll catch you in the next one.